So you're coming up with an SEO strategy and you want to swing for the fences, right? You want to hit a grand slam and you want to rank for a national phrase that has 30,000 search volume, right? First of all, are you really in a position to rank for a phrase like that? Is your site really such a subject matter expert that Google would show you nationally for a search term like that? And if the answer is no, just be realistic, right? You don't have to go swing for the fences. Like sometimes base hits, so ranking for a long tail question that's important. Maybe it's at a different stage of the funnel. And then over time, as you're continuing to publish more content and become more of a subject matter expert on whatever industry that you're in, then eventually you can shorten the funnel and you can start to publish content that has search intent with higher search volume. But I wouldn't start there. Don't swing for the fences right away. Just start with maybe more of the long tail FAQs and then work your way down to the bottom of the funnel. So at the end of the day, that information is still very important to your target audience, but it'll also strengthen your overall SEO strategy.